Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Superformance Cobra. It's got a small block in it. I was just out driving it. If I look like I got a big smile on my face, we had a blast driving this car. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so we can show you how clean the bottom side is. We're going to pop the hood, fire up that 302. We're going to look at the interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Superformance investment. So come on up. We'll fire it up for you right now. All right, guys, we're here with our Superformance Cobra. Now, this is not one of those garage built cars. This car is built in the Superformance factory in South Africa. Now, they put the suspension together, the frame, they build the body, they paint the body, they assemble everything except the motor and trans, and that's slipped in when it hits the US here. So this car is completely manufactured in a plant by professionals who do this every day. Now, the paint is beautiful on it. I mean, it looks like Shelby built this thing yesterday. I mean, it is gorgeous. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're bringing in about 45 to 50 new cars every month, so we've always got something new and interesting coming in. Now, this one's got the knockoff wheels just like the factory cars had, or not, I shouldn't say factory cars, I should say race cars. The side pipes are jet coated. We've got a little bit of this clear bra on here to keep the stone chips down. You can see the interior here is looking great. Wood steering wheel. We've got all the gauges we need right there. The 5-speed shifter. It's got a 4-point harness in it, so it's got the shoulder belts. All the chrome looks good in here. All the upholstery on the seats is in great shape. The roll bar looks great. Now, it does have the convertible top that goes on, and you can take a look at our pictures on the website. It'll show you that convertible top up. The convertible top does fit in the back here, so if you go out to a car show or something, you get caught in the rain, you put your convertible top up, get in this sucker, and drive her home. Now, we've got the Cobra style fuel fill here, just like all of them have. You look down the side of it, she is straight as can be. Just a beautiful car, and what fun to drive. I tell you, like I said earlier, I was just out driving it a little bit ago. We had a blast. Now, here at Vanguard, we've got like 240 cars in stock, and we own every one of them. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. So you can bet we check them out before we buy them. Now, we buy between 45 and 50 new cars every month, so you want to check us out often. Follow us on Facebook, check us out on YouTube, check our website often. We've always got new stuff coming in. And I'm involved in buying every one of these cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my expertise helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Cobra for a ride. My favorite car. I tell you what, Superformance builds one awesome Cobra. Just having a blast. Look at that, driving with no hands, Mom. Everything feels great on this car. Make it my daily driver, guys. And you know what? We can park this car in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, if you need some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too, no problem whatsoever. We got 3 different banks we work with. Takes about a 15-minute phone call. They'll do all the paperwork for you, sign on the dotted line, and this dream is as good as in your driveway. And I tell you what, this little Cobra is driving awesome. Now, we're real close to the Detroit Metro Airport. So if you want to fly in, It's only a 20-minute ride. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. We'd love to show you this car. Now, about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, so we really love it when our customers come in. So please, if you can come in and check the car out, we'd love to have you. You know what? We're open on Saturdays too. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. We may have to move 10 or 11 cars to get to your favorite car, so we want to make sure we got your favorite car right up front. And as you can see, if you drive the car mild, you don't have to make a lot of noise. I mean, it's got a nice rumble to it. Keep the RPMs down, keep the gears up in high gear. You can drive it normal, you can hear yourself think, but when you want to get ornery with it, no problem, she's ready. Now we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna take us back to the shop right now and we're gonna put it up in the air. We're gonna do that ornery thing right now. Isn't that fun? Well, we'll get her in high gear here. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the shop, put this in the air so you can see just how clean the bottom side is. We're gonna take a look at the motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Superformance investment. Now, I usually go around this corner like 90 miles an hour, but it freaks out the camera. The camera can't handle the G's. Right here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We'd love to have you come visit. We've got over 240 cars in stock, and we're bringing in 45 to 50 new cars every month. So come on in, check us out. We'd love to have you. Blazer's heading to its new home. Camaro's heading to its new home. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Superformance Cobra now, and man, is she clean under here. I mean, it looks brand spanking new under here. Of course, it's got the independent rear suspension, the coilovers holding it up, disc brakes out back, 373 gear in here, and of course it is Posi. You can see they've tied all the wiring and all the lines and everything to the frame with P-clips about every 3 inches, man. Beautiful workmanship under here. It's got a small sway bar in the back, all the frame, everything's painted up nice and clean under here. It's got a TKO 5-speed trans here. It does have a hydraulic clutch in it. Bell housing is cast aluminum. Pan looks like a Mylodon pan, and it looks brand spanking new, nice and clean. We got a high torque starter on it. Up front here, tubular upper and lower control arms, Willwood disc brakes, coilovers holding that up. Again, framework, all the paint work here on the frame's looking great. It's got a big aluminum radiator in it. It's got 2 electric fans. It does have manual rack and pinion steering here. I mean, it's an amazing piece here, guys. It's a Superformance and it's a Cobra. It's ready to go racing. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got BFGs, and they are 255/60 15s on real knockoffs, guys. And right here where the music comes out, those headers going to them side pipes. Let's check the rear. Out back here, we got a lot more rubber on the ground. 2 95/50 15s, same good looking knockoff rims. I don't see a mark on them anywhere, and that is where the music comes out, right there. Let's get under the hood and see what's making the music. All right, under the hood here, we got a 302. It's a roller motor. It's got SVO heads on it. Those are aluminum, guys. It's got an aluminum intake on it, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It looks like the electric choke's hooked up. Everything under here is nice and neat. All the wiring's nice and neat. All the plumbing's nice and neat. All the aluminum's nice and bright. It does have manual steering, and it does have power brakes. I tell you, these Superformance Cobras are a blast to drive. You know what? If I'm going to a car show, if I gotta move 10 cars to get out a Superformance Cobra, that's what I'm doing, because I'm driving one. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.